It does look gorgeous over the flight line.
Hey, it's Andre, and that is the E-flite PT-17. I finally got out to fly it. Initial flights, when I first got it, were a little sketchy. CG issue. I put some bolts into the front cowl, and that seemed to make all the difference. 3S 4000 flew like a dream. I think I was at 100% throws, and outside of some dodgy takeoffs by the pilot, it is an absolute sweet plane to fly. Not very aerobatic, but looks great buzzing the flight line. I'm Andre, E-flite PT-17. Thanks for watching.
Nicely working plane. Nice to see this one. Doesn't roll nice, I can tell you that. Even with 100% throws. It's not aerobatic. It does look gorgeous over the flight line.